Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm here just hanging out in the garage. I apologize if I sound congested. I do have really bad allergies at this time of the year. But if you tuned into our previous video, you know that Jose picked up another project car. That video was supposed to reveal what it was, but it turned out to be more of a teaser. It's actually, we have it here now. It's sitting there in the driveway. Most of you probably already guessed what it was, but in this video, we promise it will be revealed. So if you want to know, keep on watching.
On the last video we talked about the new project that we got. Well, here it is. It's a Nissan, in case you were wondering. Skyline, all-wheel drive, and yeah. Now we got a 2004 350Z. So welcome back to drunkletuned.garage. So we decided finally to show what vehicle we got. Well, this is it. It's a 2004 Nissan 350Z, and just want to apologize for my horrible video skills. I am really bad at this. Normally my wife is the one doing this, but right now she's at work and I have to get moving on this. So the car came with stock wheels. Of course, we don't need that negativity in our life. We put some XXR 527s on it that I actually stole from my wife. I had originally purchased these rims for her Dodge, but we decided to go with something different for her. So with that, and then we have it wrapped in needle and the NT555s. So the car has a few flaws, you know, it ain't perfect, but it runs, it drives, and it's raining. Yes. I guess I'll get back to you guys on this. Okay, back at it again. So, typical Hawaii, 2 minutes later, it stopped raining. Yeah. So, anyway, couple of things. We have dents here. I don't know how that happens. Not from me though, obviously. And the car needs a little love. We actually put on a Nismo exhaust, so I'm happy about that. Nothing really major done to it yet, other than putting on the exhaust and working on actually getting this window to go up. It goes up and down now. I don't know why I didn't put it up when it was raining. I didn't think the key was in here. But, so, like I said, the car needs work. It is nothing fancy. It's a 2004. It comes with headaches from having an older car. The back, it needs a little love. All the parts are there. All the pieces are there. Just missing a few panels, but they're all here, just somewhere. Gotta find it. Scavenger hunt. So, dirt, and you know, normal things that come with wear and tear. The usual fuel level sensor issue, couple of issues here and there, cosmetic stuff for the most part. I got a really good deal on it. Got it from a really good friend, and yeah, he hooked it up. 93,000 miles on it, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm looking forward to turning this thing into something. I already started looking into some swaps or possible things to do to the engine. I'm not kidding when I say it starts. It just needs love. Oh. So there's an issue. The key is broken. So the chip has to read the immobilizer. So I guess it's not reading it yet. I'm supposed to be getting a key made sometime this week. Time is a big issue with me, so I just gotta find the sweet spot, because this key doesn't have the chip. This is the part of the other key, so gotta kind of put them together so it reads. And yeah, it'll start one of these tries. There we go. Couple of issues. The some maintenance lights are on. Clutch, it's, I want to say, a little more than 50%. Door panels, they need love. Well, we don't need that negativity when we got racing seats. We're gonna put racing seats in here, 5-point harness. I don't know exactly which way I'm gonna go about this. I don't know if I want it to be just a whatever car. I don't know if I want it to be like something fast. I don't know yet. Haven't had a Nissan in a while, so we'll see what happens. We will definitely keep you guys posted, and be sure to tune in and keep watching our videos, and we'll go do a pool somewhere. Yeah. Another thing I forgot to mention is the car did come lowered on cut springs. We definitely need to get rid of that negativity. We'll be upgrading the suspension soon. How soon? I'm not too sure, because like I said, time is a very, very big issue with me. I work a lot, and then some. So it's gonna get there. We will continue to post the progress on it. Hopefully the wife is gonna be more involved, because yeah, kinda wanna get it done. This is actually for me. Normally I build cars for everybody else. I'm pretty excited about this, it actually being for me. Haven't had a me car in a while, something that I know is just mine. So yeah, we are going to, I don't know yet, I have to put some thought into it and see what kind of goodies we can find. Resources are limited here in Hawaii, especially Kauai. We normally get raped with shipping charges and all kinds of stuff, or people don't want to ship to Hawaii. First step for me personally would be do the brakes, redo the suspension, and get rid of this fucking camber bullshit. I hate camber. It's a personal thing. Anyway, we will keep you posted and see how this goes. So we decided to go for a drive, quick little drive, nothing major. Just to show the car is drivable. Everything is in working condition for the most part. So but yeah, the car for the most part, I mean, it drives good. It's got a little bit of a misfire. I think it just needs a little bit of maintenance, just basic maintenance, just like anything when you buy something secondhand. I mean, you know, it's gonna have its little kinks and shit like that. You heard the little kid. Look at that shit, dog. But yeah, she pulls. I mean, that was just a little minor little, I guess, pull. I wouldn't consider that a pull or nothing like that, but definitely getting the little kids hyped up. Nothing major.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, activate that bell to receive notifications whenever we post new videos, and as always, we thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.